Hey y'all, welcome back. Vince here. Got something absolutely delicious for you. Today we're going to be making crispy Brussels sprouts with shallot, garlic, and a little bit of pancetta. This recipe is absolutely outstanding and it goes with just about any dish. You get the vibrant green from the Brussels sprouts, you get a little bit of that smoky, salty flavor from the pancetta. You get a little hit of garlic, a little shallot to tie it all together, and boom, you got the perfect side dish for your favorite meal. Friends, make sure if you haven't already that you smash that like button, turn the notification bell on, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more videos that make delicious recipes every single week. So we have a couple of cloves of garlic. We're gonna cut off the ends and just give it a rough chop. Quick chop, quick lick and a promise, that's all we need. Something like that is absolutely perfect. So see how fast that was? Boom, 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 already done. So for these shallots, we're just gonna give it a quick dice. But we're looking for a chop like this. We don't want any gigantic chunks, but honestly, I love shallot, so even if you gave me a couple of chunks, I won't complain. So I got one big old thick piece. It's about a ½ pound of pancetta right here. I'm gonna use about this much, so I'm gonna use roughly a little bit less than a ¼ pound of pancetta for, about a ½ pound to a pound of Brussels right there. Is that how math works? This is what all ties it together, honestly. If you don't got any pork in the house, you might as well throw those Brussels sprouts in the trash. No, I'm just kidding, but honestly, this is what gets me going. This is what gets me cooking this to begin with. It's the flavor I love, so. We're looking for something like this. We like little cubes, and we want to be able to taste it, so this is really what, it's a Brussels sprout dish, but I'd be lying if I said it wasn't really pancetta that's running the show behind the scenes. Extra virgin olive oil, dump a little bit in. Don't have to go true crazy because the fat in the pancetta is gonna render down a little bit. We're also gonna throw in just a little bit of ghee to complement that Evo. All right guys, our cast iron pan is scalding hot. We got some ghee and some Evo in there, so it's time to add our pancetta. So I'm just gonna throw some of this in here. Next up, we're gonna add a little bit of garlic. We're gonna coat our pancetta with our garlic. Next, add your shallot. And then mix that all together, baby. And look how the pancetta is already starting to fry up real nice, change in color. The shallot's going to give off a little bit of moisture. Now once your garlic's browned and your pancetta has started to change color, we're going to kind of spread it out, create a little bit of a circle, and we're going to throw in our Brussels sprouts. Mix that on all up. Add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste and cook down your Brussels sprouts for 5 to 8 minutes. Be careful with your salt because the pancetta's got plenty. My last pro tip that really just takes these up a whole nother level and, gives you a balance between sweet and salty. A little bit of raw sugar in the raw, and just give it a little love on top. And then once you get that sugar in the raw in there, you're gonna take a little bit of red pepper, a couple teaspoons, tablespoons, something like that. Little shimmy and shake. And then you're gonna have salty, sweet, a little bit of heat. You see, and once you get some pieces that are starting to kind of break down like that, you know you're getting close. We're gonna fill this bad boy up. Make sure to get plenty of that pancetta. So like I said, pancetta is kind of like your wife calling the shots while you got the credit card. We all know who's in charge. And once you get your little side dish, last but not least, you're gonna take a little bit of balsamic glaze and glaze that bad boy. There you go. All right, y'all, it's time we have our amazing crispy Brussels sprouts, a little bit of pancetta, a little bit of balsamic glaze, shallot. See what this tastes like. Get a little piece of pancetta, a little bit of glaze. Oh my God. Oh my God. The saltiness with the pancetta, with the sweetness from the glaze, and a little bit of the sugar, and then you get hit with that garlic. My favorite parts, when you get a bite like that, just a little bit of Brussels and a whole lot of pancetta. Thanks for watching. I hope to earn your subscription. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found value from it.